So Toby has found this little bird. I don't know what it is because it's just real small. I don't think it doesn't look like a robin or anything. There's all kinds of different birds here. I don't know what this is, but I'm going to try to... Oxygen. Good work, Toby. Go over there. Go over there, Toby. Let's see if we can get the little bird. Come on. Come on. Come on, you. Come on. Come on. I'm trying to resuscitate. Bring him back. He couldn't been out there too long because the cars passed through here. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on, baby. I'm opening his mouth. I'm going to open his mouth. Bring oxygen in there. Let's see if I can bring him. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh no. But this is the type. I don't know what kind of little birdie, little baby he was. But this is if you could look right there, what kind of little bird it was. I couldn't bring him back. Like I said, there's a lot of... Here's one right here, and this is how he looked. And if anybody could tell me what kind this was, there he is right there. This is just... I'm not trying to do anything funny here. This is because of nature, and I want to identify this little birdie and how he fell all the way over here. Because how would he fall all the way over here in the middle of the road? No cars could have smashed him. They passed through here, so he has fell. Did his mother grab him and was taking him somewhere? I don't know. I don't know. But that's how he looks. And I'm going to put him somewhere where nobody gets him and return his little body back to the earth. Because there's just one that I see here. So, matter of fact, I have the little shovel. Go over there. Go over there. Go over there, Toby. And I just dig a little hole by the side here to bury him where we found him. Let's see. Okay. So I'm gonna take the little birdie that passed away. I tried to give him resuscitation, but he didn't come through. This is how he looked. This is how he looked. I can't identify him because I don't know. But if anybody can tell me what kind of bird this baby was right here. So I'll take him and I'll put him right here in a little grave. Back into earth. Real nice and calm. I believe the head is facing east. So, yeah, he's facing east like this. Or he's looking east. He's buried with angle east, so, because the sun rises. And that's how that goes. Rest in peace, baby. Birdie.